Hello, it's Kreager and welcome again to my channel. In the previous video we constructed these beautiful shelves and as I promised, in this one we will build 20 Lego sets without instructions. So we are moving to this interesting and exciting process. I found this set of random Lego sets and it was bought in my childhood, and now I want to combine all this Lego and create my own sets. And I have such mini cars, such mini figures and another toys, and I want to place it in my new shelves from the previous video. And of course I want to place these combined Lego sets to my new shelves, which I show you in the previous video. And don't forget to subscribe to my Patreon, subscribe to my channel and like this video. This is really important for me. Thank you.
Farewell and adieu to you Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu to you ladies of Spain. For we've received orders but to sail for old England. But we hope in a short time to see you again. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. All you shanters.
So that's the first result of my work. I want to fully complete this ship, but I think this is really fantastic. I really like this result, and in my plan I have such mind. I want to complete this ship, and I want to complete this ship, and I want to simulate the battle of them, and I want to create an island using these platforms. And now we continue walking.
We hove our ship to when the wind from southwest, boys. We hove our ship to deep soundings to take. 'Twas 45 fathoms with a white sandy bottom. So we squared our main yard and up channel it made. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. All you shanters silly, it's 35 leagues. The first land we sighted was called the Dodman. Next Ramehead off Plymouth, off Portsmouth the Whites. We sailed by Beachy, by Fairlight and Dover, and then we bore up for the Southbourne Lights. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England.
So today I had time to continue constructing this ship, and today I started to create this total black ship. I think I should swap this to yes, I think so. And should remove the brake. And we will have two ships. And I think I will recreate the battle of these two ships near the island, and the battle will be also in land and in sea. And I will also create such captain cabinet there, and of course captain will control the ship too. I have this, and I will place it there, and it will be so incredible and beautiful. It will be soon, and for this day it's all.
Пішов корабель у море один, бляшанка з чаєм, так звався він. Ревли вітри хилився, ніс, гей, хлопці, прорвемось. Скоро підмога прийде, чай цукор і ром нам привезе. В той день із китом буде все, додому попливемо. 2 тижнів час іще не сплив, як справжній кит до них підплив. Всім грізно капітан звелів, кита ми візьмемо. Скоро підмога прийде, чай цукор і ром нам привезе. В той день, як з китом буде все, додому попливемо. Спустили човен враз на воду, як вдарив кит хвостом по ньому, гарпунили його невтомно, а кит пірнув на дно. Скоро підмога прийде, чай цукор і ром нам привезе. В той день із китом буде все, додому попливемо. Не ріжуть линву, кит не йде, не в грошах справа, просто честь. Для капітана понад все, тож далі їх тягло. Скоро підмога прийде, чай цукор і ром нам привезе. В той день із китом буде все, додому попливемо.
So that's the result for the day 3. Today I nearly completed the pirate ship. That's the design. I think I did it pretty well with the limited amount of bricks, and we are going to the day 4. So that's the result of the day 4. I have 2 nearly completed ships, the black one and the red yellow one. And I started to build this castle. So the final composition will be battle between these 2 ships near the castle. So the pirates attack this castle to grab some coins and another items. And the defenders of this castle will have battle with them, and defenders also will have this ship to defend from the pirate. So I had this result on the day 4. We have the palm there, we have the entrance with the functional doors. I think it doesn't have any sense to build something there because the door will always be closed, and I have this beautiful entrance. I completed the walls in the first floor from all the sides. And I also have these two flags, which if you connect will be the flag of my country. So that's the result of the day 4. And now we are moving to the day 5. And today my progression is there. I can't really understand if I like it or no. I imagine it in another way. Honestly, it now feeling like semi-castle, semi-military base. So I can't understand if I leave it in this state or I will change something. I think I should change the top of this, but for today that's all. And also the main purpose of this floor is to hide the treasures and the artifact there. I hope you can see it. In time lapse you can properly see this. So that's all, and now we are moving to the day 6. So that's the new day. I can't remember what exactly, because from the previous footage lasted about 1 week or 10 days, I can't remember exactly. And today we continue our work, and I received help with sorting of all these bricks. It's green type of bricks, such as military color, black bricks, long bricks, red, gray, yellow, blue, green, another red. So it will be easy today to continue my work, and now we are going to the process. Not much have I done, but I completed the tower of this castle, and I think now it's more beautiful than before, and I added this outline for this level. And for today that's all. So today I decided to shift my focus from the main base, which I built in before, and construct something new. Today it is a dinosaur with this tail, with these hands and legs. So I can move it in this way. Oh, we have trouble there. We can move this and this. I decided to renew it because I had this head, these hands, and this tail. So I used these red bricks to create it in a new view, and it's fully completed. It's the first set which is fully completed. And the second one, it's in this moment it is looking very funny, but I don't find in this in this field of Lego the needed part. After I will find it and play it there, I will connect it with this glass, and I will be able to open it at close. So for today I completed these two sets, and that's all. We're moving to the next part of this video. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I also renew this one robot with such weapon, and I will change this in a moment and will return to you. And so I use this weapon and I renew this robot, and I renew this robot, but I don't have another parts which I should use to fully complete it. So I will think about how I can change the lore of these robots. So I will place it in my shelves. Today I am lucky because my phone offed in the last seconds of the recording, so I didn't lose it, and now I want to show you two new sets which I completed today, and it is the first starship and the second. With completed yellow starship, I used all yellow bricks I had, so we completed the yellow stage, and I want to show you all features of it. This ship has this cannon, this cabin, this moving element, such imitation of radar or such a navigation device, these spinning elements. It's also some additional techniques such turtle wings, which also have some moving elements. This part, this, and the cannon in the back of this ship. This ship looking in this way, It is also very detailed set, and I am very glad that I completed it today. And the second one is a little bit smaller, a little bit, but I think it also very pretty. I like it. With this cabin, it is empty because I don't know if I have the needed number of oh no, of figures. So that's all for today, and this number of pieces we have today. See you tomorrow. So that's also an airship, but in that case it is civil plane, and it is fully constructed with blue and white bricks. I did this cabin with this navigation panel there, with such zero trouble there. Oh no, but why so? Okay, it fixed now. With this wing and this wing we also have a door which open, but the plane is empty inside. I don't see any sense to decor this because none of person who will see it, the person will not be able to see what inside. So I used all bricks to fully decorate it outside. And we also have this door. So, the first navigation device, the second one, such moving elements. I don't really know why, but I think it will be looking cool in this plane. And this how it looks on the side. I think it's really pretty, and I'm glad that I completed it. And also this plan have a chassis there and these details I used it the remaining details because I don't know how it used in the top of this plan. So that's all for today, and with this, oh, we have trouble, I will fix it. So with this I fully used the white bricks and the blue bricks, and I have the black, red and gray. Oh, and a little amount of green. So we are moving to the next day. And I forgot to say that it was the hardest set I have ever built with bricks and no instruction, so I did it fully on image which I have in my head and use my full imagination to complete it. And also I use this window, so it's really changing the situation there, and I'm really glad that I built something really pretty with limited amount of bricks. And I also add these turbines in these wings, and in the back. I don't know if it's really correct to place it there, but I have only 3, so it will be there, and in the back. Today I enforce my naval forces, and the first one is super modern naval carrier. Of course, we don't have there any military plans, but in my mind it is such modern carrier with many moving elements, with so many weapons to attack the enemies. These devices, these moving devices, this cannon, this and this rocket station, such an communication, and the main cabin. I think it's in minimalistic scale. So if you compare this and this, you can think that this carrier is so small. But if you watching it in this way, you can see the all details, and I think it's not as pretty as I want, but it's something unordinary and interesting. So this I completed. I created such a minimal ship. I think it can be China ship, medieval ages, and I upgrade the cabin of captain. And that's all for today. And with this, I used nearly all gray and red bricks, and I will use it as an addition to my another sets It will be, I think, many cars in black color, and I will add gray and red to these sets. And we are moving to the next day. And we have 4 sets today. This is the first. This is the second. This is the third. And this is the last one. Oh no, we have trouble there. We'll fix it. No. Yes, that's all for today. There are not so big as I expected, but because I have many wheels, many glasses for such type of sets, so I created 4 small sets. This is not the prettiest, but it can exist, I think. This too, but I think it also can be. And this is good. I think it's really, I like it. And this is really incredible. This I like the most. It's really detailed. It's really cool and really defendful. I don't know this word. This is as armored vehicle, so I really like it. And that's all for today. And I upgraded ship, the black one, but it's only small details, so I will show it in the final shot of all my sets. And I have a minimal amount of each type of color bricks, so it will be really hard to create something really cool with all this salad of bricks. But my plan consists of several actions. The first one, I want to fully repair this dragon. Secondly, I want to combine this completed part of sets, also this, and after that I will fully complete the castle and the scene of battle. So that's all for today. In each day it start to be really hard, but I want to complete this project. And see you tomorrow. So, and the most hardest part of the work has completed. I used all semi-completed parts. As I said previous, it is dragon. I create 2 head dragon. It's I think parts from Lego Ninjago sets, but I rebuilt it in my own way because I don't have all the bricks I should have. So it's the first head, the second, these wings can move, this also, this also, this also, this, and this. So that's cool, really. And we are moving to the second Ninjago set. It's such motorcycle. I used all bones I had. So that's the second set. And this really something else, because I have this hard part, this and this also from Lego Ninjago, but I decided to create such parody on car, I think from Mad Max, and I like it. It's really art house set, so this I can remove in such way. Also this, but oh no, I will fix it. I can't do it anymore because or can yes, I can do it. So it's the place for person who will control it. And also this interesting robot, because I have so many parts and it was really hard to create something normal due to limit amount of bricks. So we have these two legs. Oh, I forgot four legs, and I will complete it after this footage. This cannon, which can also be used, and improvised head, and also this armor parts, and this rudder and armor parts also. This is I forgot this arm, and there we have cannon. So that's how it looks. And we are moving, I think, to the last part of this video. I will fully completed the castle, and will use all the remaining bricks. So we are moving to the next day. So that's it. I finally completed all the sets. I am really happy that I did it. I am very proud of myself, and now I want to show you all the sets in one shot. So there we have Ninjago sets, the main castle. I upgraded it and add so many details. So I add also all minifigures. I built this, I think, Kazarm for warriors. There is the king with his wife and guards. I created this port, so this ship is boarded there. Also, I created such funny set. I created it using all remaining details and bricks. So there, what is it? There is also dolphin. We have horses. This road to the castle. This ladder. This and this. We also have so many details there. And as I say in the beginning of this video, so this ship attacking this castle, and the guards and this ship will defend it. And now we are moving to our planes. This is civil classic plane. This is all Lego Chima minifigures and sets. There is our starship, 4 cars, our army sets, these uncompleted robots which had battle with each other and kill each other, I think. So that the war of this. There we have one more starship, one naval carrier, our robot, this ship, this helicopter, and this one ship. So I will show it you one more time, and this is real pretty. I really proud of myself. It takes me around 1.5 months to complete it. So I will very glad if you will like this video, if you will subscribe to me and subscribe to my Patreon. Your donation will really help me to continue create such unique content for you, and I will do my best to show you something new. And I want to continue this channel. I want to create new content for you and make it more better. So I will be really thankful that you will support me, and thank you that you are watching this video. But it's not the end. The end will be tomorrow, because I have one more metal constructor and one more paper. So I will place all this in my shelves. Not all the sets, but the most beautiful for me. And I will build the last 2 sets tomorrow, and this will be the end of this video. Finally, I am really happy that I make it, and we are moving to the last day. So that's it. That's the last constructor I have. This metallic and this paper. So I don't have any instruction for this helicopter, so I did it using my imagination, and this helicopter I have now. And also this was a completed cruise liner, but I don't have all the details I need, so I use Agfix, a special glue which using the spray connect all the parts in seconds. So I got this liner, and that's all. That's the all sets I want to do in this video. So now we are moving to the end of this video. And that's how my shelves looks like now. So I placed this set there, and another will be temporarily in the floor, but in the next video I will create myself another shelves, and you will see it in the next video. So that's the end. I'm recording this video around 1.5 months. It was really hard for me. I used all my imagination, all my forces and my motivation to make this video alive, and I hope that you will like this video, that you will support me by subscribing to my Patreon. It will be very important for me, really. I want to create such unique and new content for you, and as I said before, the next video will be about another shelves, and we will place all the Lego sets I created in this video in these shelves. But this video will have difference with this construction, because I will not buy it, but will do by myself. So it will be really interesting, and I am very thankful that you watched this video. I hope something of you watched till this moment, because this video is really long. I think 50 minutes. In the start I didn't know that it will be so long, but I am really happy that I did it. I finally did it. So see you in the next videos. Bye.
Thank you.